Hey, congratulations. You can see that congratulations message from Google. That means our testing is approved. Let's publish the applications after testing. How can you approve the testing and what is the proper way to test your applications? I will share with you. Let's publish the application at first. You can see that also on the section a dashboard section you can say that congratulations and publish app release, your app has been granted to production access. Let's publish the applications. For that I'm clicking on hide task, then select country. We have to select countries, how much country we want to show the app. I'm selecting all the countries. Okay, and not now, then clicking on release or dashboard, then create new release. That means I am in the production and clicking on new release. Okay, then you can see that this type of dashboard here. We have uploaded the bundle file before. That means we don't want to upload the bundle file again, so we just uh, take from the library, and the third version is here. Add to release, then next. Okay, there are one warning. This a bundle contain native code. Okay, no issues, it's just a warning, not any big issues. Then clicking on save. Okay, go to overview and you can see that send 5 changes for review. I'm just clicking on it and sending it to review. Okay, and if I go to all app, that means the console account dashboard, then you can see that in review it will take 1-2 hours to go come the feedback and the app will publish. Okay, let's see the process of the testing. For that I am going to another console account. You can see that lots of console account I am managing and maintaining. I'm just going to this one. We have tested the applications and try to publish the app. Okay, we have created the applications. If you want to create your own application, then you can contact with us. And you can see that I'm just a developer of the console account. That's why it's not showing apply for production button. Only account owner can apply for the production. Okay, let's break through the testing process, our testing process, or you can do it for yourself. I'm going to the app. Then first of all we have to upload the applications on the testing section. You can see that manage track, or you can click new track. Then you have to upload the app on testing. Remember it on the close testing, right? You have to upload the app on the this section. Then click on testing, and I recommend to use Google Group. It's a better way. Unlimited people can come your app and try to install app and test the application. It's better. That's why I am referring to prefer Google Group. I have just added the Google Group. After that I have copied the mail address, then I have sent to my testers. They test the applications for 14 days. Here is the main thing is how can you test your applications. When you provide the link on your testers, I have a professional team. I just forward that copy a link and they will test the app properly. Actually, what is the proper definition, which means properly? Actually they try to test the application's functionality regularly, and they try to use the app with all functionalities so that they can see if there is any issues or not, the functionality will work properly or not. They regularly check all functionality of the app, and after that the 14 days testing over, Google approved the testing. This is the main thing. You have to test your app properly. If you want to test your applications properly, then you can contact with us. We have a professional team to test the applications. That this way you can test your application. After that, you have to apply for the production access, then Google will approve the app easily. That's it. If you have any questions, you can comment on the video, and or if you want to contact with me, all that contact information you will find on the description box. Thank you.